Welcome to my channel, Janice Bilingual Bridge. Today is January 24, 2026. And are you ready to learn more Filipino language? Well, let's start. Tang. In Visayan and Tagalog, the same, dila. Brain. Utok in Visayan, utak in Tagalog. Urine. In Visayan and Tagalog, the same, ehe. Urinating. Nangihi in Visayan, umiihi in Tagalog. Cough. In Visayan and Tagalog, the same, ubo. Fever, hilanat in Visayan, lagnat in Tagalog. Cold, there are two uses of cold. When it refers to weather, I already have video on that. Cold, when it refers to weather, is tugnaw in Visayan and malamig in Tagalog. And when it refers to body condition, like when you have cough, fever, cold. So cold in Visayan is sipon and sipon in Tagalog. Alive, buhi in Visayan, buhay in Tagalog. Did, Visayan and Tagalog the same, patay. Died, the same in Visayan and Tagalog, namatay. Critical condition, grabe or critical na kahimtang in Visayan and critical na kalagayan in Tagalog. Alright, this is all for today and have fun learning. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and see you in my next video.